Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the revision of chapter 6. Last week we have learned about adjective. What is the adjective? Okay, so today we are going to see the different types of adjectives. Okay, so there are 6 type of adjectives are there. Proper adjective, quality, quantity, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, and distributive. Okay, so these are the types of adjectives are there. So we are going to do the revision of all this type. So let's begin.
Adjectives. An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun.
It tells about the quality, quantity, number, or order of the noun that it describes.
Adjective of quality. An adjective of quality answers the question, what kind?
Example: the hungry fox chased a cat. Hungry answers the question, what kind of fox? Adjective of quantity.
An adjective of quantity answers the question, how much? Adjectives of quantity mostly describe uncountable nouns.
For example, there is little water to drink. Little answers the question, how much water?
Adjective of number. An adjective of number answers the question or questions, how many?
For example, I will be absent for 6 days. 6 answers the question, how many days?
Adjective of number also answers the question, in what order?
For example, I stood in the 3rd row.
All cardinal and ordinal numbers are adjectives. Some adjectives are used with countable as well as uncountable nouns.
Remember the following rules with such words. An adjective used with an uncountable noun is an adjective of quantity. For example, I have some food.
An adjective used with a countable noun is an adjective of number.
For example, I have some dishes.
An adjective usually comes before the noun it describes or modifies.
For example, this is a huge palace.
An adjective may also come immediately beside the noun it describes.
For example, the heat made the child sleepy.
An adjective can also be placed after the verb to be.
For example, this palace is huge.
Possessive adjectives and articles are types of adjectives. They come before a noun or another adjective.
For example, I have a car.
Here, a is used as an article.
Where is your car?
In this case, your is used as possessive adjective. Very often, we use more than one adjective in front of a noun.
For example, the old fluffy grey dog sat beside me.
We use adjectives from the size and color groups by keeping the size word first.
For example, she has a big white car. We do not use a comma or and between the two words. For example, she has a big white car. Incorrect. She has a big and white car. Incorrect. We use and when using adjectives from the same group. For example, she has a red and white car. Correct. She has a red and white color car. Incorrect.
Hello friends, my name is Mihir Mandovra and welcome to the 12th grammar lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss about different types of adjective. To get most out of this video, please watch it till the end. I am sure you will learn a lot about adjectives in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Now, what is an adjective? We have already discussed about them in our previous video. If you can recall, adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun. Let me give you an example to make it clear again. Vijay is a boy. Here we are able to understand whether Vijay is a boy or not, but we are not able to get more details about what kind of boy Vijay is. Now let's see this example. Vijay is a good boy. Here we are describing the quality of Vijay by telling that he is a good boy. So, good is an adjective here. We have also discussed about degree of adjectives in our previous video. Please check that video if you haven't already. Links are in the description. Now let's look into different types of adjectives. Adjectives are divided into various types. We will look into main 6 types of adjectives. These are adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Now let's look into them one by one. Adjective of quality. These are the words that describe the quality of noun or pronoun. Note the word quality. Let me give you an example to make it clear. I have a nice teddy. Here, what is the quality of teddy? It is nice. They generally answer the question of what kind in any sentence. Now, can you think of more such qualities of teddy? Someone may say that this teddy is of brown color, or someone may say it is an awesome teddy, or it is very cute. So, brown, awesome and cute are the qualities of teddy. Adjective of quality is also referred to as descriptive adjectives. Now, let's look into the next type. Adjective of quantity. They are the words that describe the quantity of nouns or pronouns. Please note the word quantity. Example, I have enough money. Here, enough describes the quantity of money I have. Questions they generally answer are how much in any sentence. Some more examples of them are I have some money. I have very little amount of money. I have more money. So remember, they define the quantity of noun, not the exact amount. Now let's look into the next type. Adjective of numbers. They are the words that describe exact number of noun. Note the word exact number. For example, Shivani has 4 apples. Here, 4 is the exact number of apple Shivani has. They generally gives the answer of the question how many in any sentence. If there is only one apple, then we can say Shivani has an apple. 8, 10 or any such exact number describes this adjective. So remember this, whenever you have any exact number that is describing noun or pronoun, it is adjective of number. Let's look into the fourth type, demonstrative adjective. Words that point out a person, thing or animal. Note the word point. For example, this book is mine. Here I am pointing out the book. Some more examples of them are that, these and those. Now, if you remember, in pronouns, we discussed about demonstrative pronouns. And they also had the same words, these, that, these and those. But there is a difference. Let me give you an example of demonstrative pronouns. Now, this is my book. Here, this is a pronoun. Can you see the difference in two sentences? In the first one, this comes before book, which is a noun, and it is describing noun, so it is an adjective. And in the second one, it comes before is, which is a verb, and so it is a pronoun. Now let's look into the next type of adjective, interrogative adjectives. These are WH words which are used with nouns to ask questions. Now what are WH words? WH words include who, whom, whose, which and what. For example, which book is yours? Here, which is used before book and is asking question. So, it is an interrogative adjective. Now we discussed about interrogative pronouns and they sound similar to these adjectives. But there is a difference. Let me give you the example of interrogative pronoun. Which is your book? Here, verb is used before which. So, it is a pronoun. And in the above example, noun book is used. So, it is an adjective. So, now you would have understood the difference. Let's look into the sixth and final type of adjective, possessive adjectives. These are the words that are used to show ownership. Note the word ownership. Let's look into the example. Joe left his bat at home. Here, his word is used to show us that it is his bat. So, it is a possessive adjective. Some more examples of it are my, our, her and their. Now again, we talked about possessive pronouns and they sound similar to possessive adjective. But they are not. They both are used in different contexts. Let me give you the example of possessive pronoun. The bat next to the window is his. Here, his is not describing noun. It is used instead of noun. So, it is a pronoun. Always remember this thing. Whenever you are in confusion, whether the word is adjective or pronoun, remember this formula. If the word is used instead of noun, then it is a pronoun. And if it is used for describing noun, then it is an adjective. Okay, so we have now discussed about all the 6 main types of adjectives. Now, let's quickly remember what we have learnt in this video. We discussed about types of adjectives. We will go through the 6 types of adjective with one example of each. Adjective of quality. Baby has a soft skin. Here, soft describes the quality. Adjective of quantity. I have enough knowledge. Here, enough describes the quantity of knowledge I have. Adjective of number. Sanjay came first in the class. Here, first is the exact rank or number Sanjay got in the class. Demonstrative adjective. That pen is mine. Here, we are pointing out to that pen. interrogative adjective. Whose bicycle is this? Here we are asking question by using whose. Possessive adjective. My mother is here. Here using my we are showing ownership. I hope you are now clear about the types of adjective. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write in the comment section. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn. And do subscribe to the channel to get regular updates about the course.
I hope you have understood all the types of adjective. But still, if you have any doubt, please message me. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.